In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Upwork account. Verifying your identity on Upwork earns you the IDV badge, which signals to clients that you're a real, trustworthy professional. Here's how to get it, step by step, and what to expect along the way. First, open Upwork and sign into your freelancer account. On your dashboard, look for the identity verification prompt. You might see it as a banner or a link in your account or settings area. When you see the option, select Get an IDV badge. Upwork currently charges 35 connects for an identity verification. Connects are the credits you use to submit proposals, so you'll need at least 35 available. If you don't have enough, choose Buy Connects to continue. On the purchase screen, pick an amount that brings your balance to at least 35. If you have a promo code, open the promo field and apply it before you check out. Then select Buy Connects to move to payment. Next, add a billing method. You can pay with a payment card or use PayPal. Choose the option that works for you, complete the secure checkout, and confirm the purchase. After payment, your Connects balance should update. Head back to the identity verification area and select Get an IDV badge to begin the process. If the button doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and make sure your balance reflects the new Connects. Now, here's how the verification works. You'll be asked to provide a government-issued photo ID. Make sure the document is valid, not expired, and that your legal name matches the name on your Upwork profile. If something doesn't match, update your profile details before uploading. You'll also need to appear on camera for a quick selfie or live video check. Use a well-lit space with a neutral background, keep your face centered, remove hats or sunglasses, and enable your browser's camera permissions. A stable internet connection helps avoid delays. Finally, submit everything for identity review. Once submitted, Upwork reviews your information. Processing times can vary, but you'll be notified in your account when it's done. If they need a clearer image or a different document, you'll see instructions to resubmit. Don't worry, just follow the prompts and try again with better lighting or a sharper photo. If asked to capture both sides of your ID, make sure all corners are visible and text is readable. When you're approved, the IDV badge appears on your profile, which can improve client confidence and, in many cases, your chances of winning jobs. And that's it. You've completed identity verification on Upwork.